From the minute you turn the key until the final cart is filled, you won't tolerate downtime. You want quality from start to finish. We get that. It's why we're constantly improving the quality process at our East Moline, Illinois factory. To do that, we combine the best tools, the best processes, and the best people. Right from the start, every combine is built to order. Take a journey with us to see how we strive every day to build combines that run even better than they look. Each department, all 54 of them, has a continuous improvement team, a team totally focused on improving quality. Many departments have never missed a continuous improvement goal.
The people at Harvester Works are very important to the overall process. If it wasn't for them, the machine could not get put together, and if it wasn't for their craftsmanship and workmanship, we wouldn't be able to put a high-functioning machine in the field that leverages technology and over 100 years plus of engineering understanding of the harvesting process.
We do everything we can, including ongoing employee training, to allow us to build the best product possible. Even our familiar green paint has a focus on quality. Our E-Coat process has 13 tanks and 3 inspection stations after the E-Coat and Top Coat to ensure paint quality. The quality check after painting is not a checklist. It's dynamic, based on what our inspectors see. Smart tools count and tell us that the correct number of nuts have been put on, which means no missing pieces. They also shut off when the proper torque is achieved, which eliminates loose nuts that could fall off in the first few hours of operation. Our automatically guided vehicle system keeps the parts assembly from moving to the next station until all parts of the process are completed. And our scan-to-scan system doesn't let us put the wrong parts together. It helps us ensure the options you ordered on your combine are correct. When your combine is delivered to you, you'll notice the hour meter isn't at 0. Why? Because every combine we build leaves the factory floor and goes to the test track for a minimum of 45 minutes. Each combine undergoes a 74-point inspection. Sensors detect abnormal vibration and sounds. A hydraulic filtration unit is connected to the combine to filter impurities from the hydraulic system. The result? Increased customer satisfaction and a combine that works just as hard as you do.
Any issue that gets in the customer's hands, one too many. So for us, it's a matter of what can we do here to take that information back, drive it back into the process, and mistake-proof it so that we can't do it wrong the first time.
After the test track, your combine enters a bay where it's inspected for hydraulic leaks, alignment of drives, and proper hose and harness routing, or any other abnormalities.
Running it at high speeds under, as best we can, harvest conditions. And so what we wanted to do was essentially stress the combine out so any of those low hour failures that our customers would experience would happen here. So we put this process in place to drive each machine and make sure that we induced any of those low hour failures here, and then put the firewall inspection in basically to put in a process where we're doing UV inspection, checking for any noise or vibration issues with the combine, and then any loose or missing components that may or may not be assembled to the machine.
The Harvester Works quality team developed these processes to help ensure that no combine leaves the factory with an issue.
In our final product verification process, we are the last line of defense for our customers as far as quality is concerned in this factory. So no machines are released from shipping until they are truly ready.
And after that, we still don't release your combine until the final product verification team says so. And in that, they take their cue from our founder, John Deere. Because nothing runs like a deer.